Canon EOS Rebel T7, our pick for the best overall budget camera in 2024. This camera is perfect for beginners stepping into photography, offering durability and ease of use. Its high-resolution sensor, wireless connectivity, and automatic modes make it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to improve their skills. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 stands out for its affordability, solid performance, and ease of use. The 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers sharp, detailed images that are great for large prints and flexible cropping. Beginners will find the user interface intuitive, with automatic modes and simple menus that reduce the learning curve. A significant feature is the inclusion of Wi-Fi and NFC, which allows easy image transfer to mobile devices for quick sharing on social media. Another highlight of the Rebel T7 is its 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, also found in higher-end models like the Canon SL2 and T7i. This sensor provides excellent image quality, making it a standout for an entry-level SLR. The camera is a classic point-and-shoot with JPEG as the reference format, avoiding lengthy post-production sessions. However, it also supports high-quality RAW format for those who prefer to spend time on post-editing. The Canon EOS 2000D's ability to save both formats simultaneously is a useful feature. Image quality is impressive for an entry-level camera. Beginners will appreciate the automatic recording mode, while more experienced users can explore creative modes like aperture priority, shutter priority, and full manual mode. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best. You got it.